Yeah, viewers. Yes, subscribers. Big up on yourself, And viewers and sub to the new link production. There, your people. And we have a sad and a touching news right now. You know, understand? And for the music industry of Jamaica, you don't know, so we lost another true talent. You understand? Another true contribution to dancehall music and the world music fraternity at Jamaica. You get me as a viewers and so because today you don't know say Nico Chromatic has passed away, viewers and sub. See me? Nico Chromatic is not here with us no more. And everybody must know the Nico Chromatic because he was suffering from a kidney disease from a couple years now. You get what I say? And we see how much they try, you understand, to get the treatment them for Nico Chromatic, but it just sad to know say we lost one of the true star who represent for dancehall because them man a man who's a real talented selector. You get what I say? And he is also a man who build rhythms and them thing there. So we lost him from both ends with entertainers out there more than him because a selector is one who push out the artists them same way, and we lost him as people in the street who go party and them thing the same way. You see me? And Nico Chromatic was a real selector. You get me as a viewers and sub. It's a selector who do him thing, him do him part, and when him entertain, he can entertain him entertain make you feel good. Because me see him on several shows already when you don't know when it's in action and I doing thing and they on top. But you don't know say we are all human and things may just happen. Sickness can come anytime. You get me as a viewers and sub anytime. You're here today and you walk on the road and you just drop you and feel good. You get me? So Nico was suffering from this kidney disease for a good time now. They try with him. They do a lot of stuff. They keep charity event for him. They do a GoFundMe page for him, which they try to source the money. And you understand? Although it still never reached the full is what them they want to reach, but at least they don't know them try. You get me? He was having this big surgery to do the end of this month. He's supposed to get a kidney transplant, and one of his family they will him to give him a kidney. You understand? And that was to do the end of this month, but he just sad. He never get to reach the end of this month. You get me? And Nico Chromatic have a nice woman who stand by his side. You get me? I say Kimberly Mears a real true woman. She never leave Nico's side. True, as then I say, through sickness or health, she ever did it with him. She never leave him, and everybody can see oh she be strong with him. And to know PR side a story because everybody know Kimberly Mears. She is the brother, she is the sister of Kyle G. Mears. That's the youth where the X6 driver they shot and kill. You understand? The student there, she is her brother that. You get me? And she still a mourn the loss of her brother because Rose we know say the X6 driver in free, you know, from the charges them and her brother gone. Now she lost her husband, yours and sub. It is such a sad news. You get me? And we as people, we have to just know so life is short. You get me? As I said, today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. So we New Orleans production, as we can say, to the whole Nico family, to him wife, and to him kids them and everybody, we just say my deepest condolences. You get what I say? We just say Nico Chromatic, rest in peace. Your work lives on, brother. Through dancer and through the whole fraternity. Big up yourself. Jano, New Link production there. We have viewers and sub.